Pixel HC2 battery charger. This is for the Sony NP-F batteries. There's a bunch of different brands. This one's from Pixel that uses this design. Obviously Chinese companies. And the reason why I bought this one is that I've been having a lot of NP-F batteries because a lot of devices that I use, whether they're lights or camera monitors, are using these NP-F batteries. I get the large ones. So this kit comes with 2 of these larger NP-F batteries. I think these are like the 970s or the which one is, yeah, 970. This is 970. Ooh, it comes wrapped in plastic. So comes with 2 of these and then this fast charger. But the fast charger is what I really wanted. And the HC2, from what I've seen online, is it's a speed charger. It charges 2 batteries, these big batteries, really fast. And I've been having issues with the battery charging of all these Sony batteries. I have a dozen of these batteries, the 970s. I think I have 2 official Sony ones, but the rest of them are all knockoffs. So the battery life, it's really hard to tell of how long the cells last. The ones I've had for years, like for a decade. And in the past, I've used really cheap chargers to charge these batteries, and it took forever. And then I splurged one time and I got the official Sony battery charger here. This is their expensive one. This is what is this brand? Well, I'll put a link below of this specific product, but this is the one that Sony recommends for all of their batteries. It's a dual charger. It looks really robust and like it'll do the job, and it does. There's some other features with it. It not only charges 2 batteries, you can change the different how it cycles, and you'll see the battery indicator levels, the health. So it does have these extra features that these other cheaper ones don't. And then also, it doesn't come in this is my own think tank bag that I use, but it comes with these 2 cables here. This one, AC wall charger, but this is interesting here. This is an NP-F extender that when plugged in to here, this offers power to camcorders if you have a Sony camcorder, or if you have any other device that accepts the NP-F mount. You can use this as a extra battery, like a dummy battery, and it comes with it. So that's good. It should come with this because this is expensive for a battery charger. But my problem with this charger is that it takes forever to charge these larger NP-F batteries. It takes really long. I would leave these overnight, and I couldn't tell if it charged or not, or how fast it charged. That's a big drawback in this, because this has been out for a while. This is not a new product. This has been out for a long time. One of the products I got when I bought this Generate Light kit, this Generate Light kit, LED kit, comes with a 2 charger here. And surprisingly, shockingly, this cheap charger that came with that cheaper light charges these NP-F batteries faster than this official Sony charger. And it's a fraction of the cost. So I've been using this to charge almost all of my batteries now, because it has an indicator when it's four lights, you're fully charged, and it seems to work. And it's, to me, I didn't put a stop timer to it, but it's like it charges the batteries in less than half the time. And then when I saw this product, the HC2, it was advertised as charging it just as fast as this one. And now that I wanted another one so I can charge multiple batteries, 4 batteries. And then I'll still keep this one just because it was a big investment, and I could use it for, the dummy battery feature. But, oh man, I don't think this was a good value, a good buy. I think it was a good purchase at the time. But if these are more prevalent now, and I feel like this is what everyone should get if you're charging these NP-F batteries, the knockoffs, the third party, not the official Sony batteries. Although this should charge any NP-F batteries. It doesn't matter if it's official or not official, but this is what it looks like. It's very thin. It's all plastic, and this is the charging, the AC wall charger, plugs in, and it should charge it really fast, or at least faster than that one. If I have an issue with this, I'll post a follow-up video to this video where I'll complain about it, but from what I've seen online and from what I'm looking at right now, this looks exactly like what I wanted. I'm gonna fit this in my equipment bag with all my other NP-F batteries, and I think this is gonna be a good deal. The Pixel HC2. I'll leave a link below, so if you were interested in something like this, you can get it yourself.